Evet arkadaşlar, bu Abdul'un dükkanı. Abdul Ridley Market'te, Boston Shopping Center'de dükkanı olan bir arkadaşım. I know Abdul 6-7 years. This is his third shop I am doing to Abdul. Abdul, you are on the video now.
Easy chef, number one.
I'm saying that I done you 3 shop before,
Yeah.
and you happy. What do you think?
Number one, easy chef, number one.
Abdul buy the this fridge from us. This is limited edition one. It's one of the best fridge. Not one of the best. It's the best fridge. This is Adem. You happy? You are working in the Boston Shopping Center. Aksu, wave. This is one of the cold room or freezer room. No, this is the cold room. This is 156. And this is his other one. And we're going to put here chest freezers, dairy cabinets, and food and vegetable unit there.